Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's just first unlock SIM card, and after that open the settings application. After that scroll down to the security section, and here you'll see SIM card lock section. Click on your network, and to unlock SIM card from SIM pin, click on the ones on the switcher, and after that enter here your currently SIM pin. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap here to OK, and now we can see that our SIM card successfully the pin code successfully removed from SIM card on our device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.